You know that feeling when something is being hidden from you, or maybe you're just hiding yourself from the truth. What's actually happening is you're not seeing the true you from within. And this card is going to show you a little bit about that. Today, we're exploring the Revelation card. It is about understanding what energy is behind being hidden from success, whether it's an internal hiding or an external hiding. It shows up when you're not seeing the truth about who you are and you're feeling uncertain. When patterns in your life are hidden from you, you can't reveal the deeper, authentic self. This card, it reveals that clarity is emerging, it's coming, right? Like a sunrise or a sunset or the light after a storm. If you're only willing to go within and allow it to be revealed, one energetic shift at a time. It is a fire card, and when your fire is about your spirit, and your when your spirit is low and you're feeling like you need to hide or be protected, your inspiration is dimmed and life will feel off. When you inspire the spirit within to reveal the deep truth of who you are, you become unstoppable. So ask yourself, where am I hiding myself from the truth? And what is holding me back from actually hearing and understanding it? You'll reveal your best kept secret power. I reveal more in the description about this and share a link about all of the revelations that the Oracle of the Lake deck have in store for you. So go ahead and read that and click that link. And, I will see you in the next card.